Welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, we are going to work with login form. First select main panel, PNL main, and then select this text box. Press Ctrl and then click here and align it center of the panel. And then select first text box, username, password, and this text box and login button, and align it left. Save the form. Press F7 to switch on code and press Shift plus F7 to switch on design. You can also use view code or go to view designer, and here is the design of the form or GUI. Now assign the name, text, username, and text pass. Double click here to create the event. Increase the size of the text. Display message box dot show. Press F5 to run the project, or click on start button. And click login button. Here is the message. Now create a string variable. Name is user name and text username dot text. Text username is the name of text box. Look at here, and we are getting a value by using text property. So here is the text property. So text box name dot text property. So same case with string, password, and text pass. We are going to access here text box value, text property, so text, and you can display the password and username in the combo box. So first user name plus username, concatenate the variable with string, and password also concatenate the variable of password. Save it and execute the program. Write any username or password and click on login button. Username Fahim, password Fahim, or you can like ABC, username Fahim, password ABC. So thank you for watching this video.